Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today is a very different video. This is probably the first sort of driving and talking video I've ever done on this particular channel, not including the POV drive of course. In this video I want to talk about something about the MG4 system update, just a general guidance about how the system update works, whether you should get every single update and information like that. First thing about the system update, how do you do system update? So at this stage, as of right now we speak, this is filmed just after Christmas, so all the MG4 system update can only be carried out by the MG authorized dealer, which is MG Motor or MG dealership or your MG local garage, things like that. If you're going for aftermarket workshop, your local garage, whatever, you probably won't be able to get system updates, and system update can only be done by MG themselves. There are some talking about trying to get OTA update on the MG4 Essence vehicles, as the Essence does have the ability for those over-the-air update. Hopefully in the future there will be something, but just as at this stage, as of right now, we do not have those functions available. And what are the updates for? So generally speaking, system updates are mostly for fixing errors, fixing small issues, fixing system bugs, whatever. You do not expect MG to pull out some super magic to change the whole graphic, change the whole design of your system, or give you a new interface, give you a new literally screen. It's not going to happen like that. Most of the cases, system update fix small issues or improve some certain specs, some certain features, things like that. That's very common with MG. They've had this system update system, or the way they update system, on a lot of cars, including the ZS, including even MG3, including even HS or the ZS EV, Generation 1, Generation 2, been around for quite a long time. And yeah, it's easily accessible through your dealerships for the system updates. Next common question is, do you get notified for every system update? The answer is definitely no, at least at this stage. Even dealers, we do not really check every single system update or anything like that. Does not necessarily mean we don't apply for the new system update. They just, for us, I'm not going to keep myself updated for every single system update that's published. If the vehicle has no fault or anything like that, you necessarily do not need to go to your dealership to ask for every single update, because again, most of the cases, the system update fix small issues or improve things. If your vehicle is working totally fine, it's working as you wish, then you do not need every single system update, so to speak. Next one, do you need to pay for a system update? Most cases probably no, but that really depends, as every single system update is done by the workshop, for example, and the workshop has to just basically get the vehicle setting, plug into its computer, download all the things from online, then download it to your vehicle. So unfortunately that takes some time. Sometimes it could be a few minutes, sometimes it could be more than 30 minutes, sometimes it could be more than hours. Depends on the vehicle's system update. That's also dependable on the internet speed, funny enough, and also depend on the vehicle updates that needed, things like that. Yeah, so again, it could take anywhere between some minutes to all the way to even a couple more hours, things like that. The worst scenario I've ever seen is the vehicle just takes a whole day to do system update. As some newly issued vehicle from China or from the factory does not have any system update until it comes to New Zealand, then we apply all the patches, all the updates to this particular vehicle. So it could take a very long time. Let's say if you're actually going to the workshop, if you're going to book your vehicle for system update, for check, for whatever that needs system update, do prepare yourself. Do not just say I want to wait there, because no one will know how long it takes until the vehicle is plugged into the computer. And yeah, just don't blame your MG dealer when you come for system update. Then they told you it's gonna need at least a couple hours to complete. You'll be like, oh no, I need to drive it somewhere, things like that. Don't expect a very, very short turnover on your system update. That's what I'm saying. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoy the content. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and like to support this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next video.